we tried this earlier, but this is a different game. We're gonna be playing Battle Cats. Really good game, in my opinion. Right now we're going against my pal. Okay. So, sort of teach you how to play in the game. Sort of get it. Okay. I like to go up like 3. I need to click this like 3 times. I like to do that. You get money fast then. I'm getting a tank. And you. And you. And you. And yes, you want to keep spamming these guys real quick. So they'll kill everybody in the way. And you're going to want to use this as early as possible. Doesn't have much range. There is a way to upgrade it. I'm going to turn down the volume. Okay. And see how much stuff I have right now? Right now I'm just going to farm out. And I'm just going to get as much money thing up here as possible. Now. Axe Cat. Let me ask you a question. And another one. As in DJ Khaled would say. Another one. Another one. Another one. Now I'm getting the monies. Now you're just gonna keep spamming things. Spam whatever you can pay for. These red dudes I hate. So hard to kill. Now you're really just gonna want to keep spamming. There's a lot of stuff. Whatever you can pay money for. You're just gonna want to keep getting as much as you can so you can defeat this red guy. Okay. So. We're at this point where these red guys are coming out and you're attacking the base. I freaking hate it when that happens. Because they're jerks. Okay. Keep spamming. Come on, kill it. Okay, so destroy it. New cat waiting to be upgraded. Rude cat. Okay. So, let me think. Okay. I'll upgrade my cat research. No, I don't. Jesus. And I don't know if this works, but it might. If I have it, I don't have it yet. There's something else. Okay. I'll go do another battle, guys. Actually, I want to upgrade a little bit. The range. Really want to increase. And then if I go to equip, if I put the cow cat in there, and if you check my recap, they're both in there. I am ready for battle. So let's go into the next battle. Sending out dogs. I play it a little easy way to get money fast. It's safe, but it's sort of safe. Once you get the money, you spend the money. You gotta spend the money to get the money first. Okay. Okay. Going cool cat. Yeah. I'm trying to get more money. I might end it soon. Like the Pogo Cat. After this battle, I think I'm gonna end it. Okay. Spam them. I hate the Kung Fu Panda. Penguin. I'm not going to tell you guys, but I hate them. So mean. Use my Poggers. I should have waited. God, my good guys are all dying. Just spam! Spam! Spam 'em! I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like it. God. Come on, God. Take pity. Yeah, I lost. Stupid Kung Fu penguins. No. Okay. So, I guess we'll try to defeat him next time, guys. See you later.